CSCO, stock analysis, price predictions for Cisco systems. Is this thing really a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1-minute video. Ultimately, overviewing Cisco systems. I'll tell you that I'm still looking to buy, like no doubt about it, but it's the reality is that I'm just not gonna randomly buy. That's the key here. It's a very solid bullish market. They even have this demand zone here for me as well. I was expecting like a confirmation from a little bit of a higher time from a lower time from there, a little bit up, but we didn't get it. So now we're lower, and only if I see a confirmation happening, I would look to buy. Right? Trying to catch the timing, but how would I know to buy? Well, only if the rules are met, then I'm moving forward. Like if not, it's all, you know, pure noise. And with Cisco, I also have like 3 receipts in the Discord here as well. So really, there is not lack of coverage on Cisco. That being said, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.